Good morning and namaste. This is Khem. I so much wanted to be present today, but fate has it, I'm not there. But anyway, thanks to the technology, I can express my message to you through this technology. Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to congratulate the winner in the category of Colleague's Choice. I'm pretty sure you already guess who that person is, and it doesn't come as a surprise. It's always Keshav Dai. Keshav Dai, धेरै धेरै बधाई छ। तपाईले यही स्पिरिटलाई निरन्तरता दिनुहोस् र तपाई स्वस्थ रहनुहोस्, खुसी रहनुहोस्, यही शुभकामना छ। त्यस्तै अर्को क्याटेगोरीमा छ एसोसिएट अवार्ड। त्यसमा पनि मलाई सरप्राइज लागेन, किन भन्दाखेरि त्यसको अवार्ड विनर हुनुहुन्छ सोमदाई। सोमदाई, तपाई हाम्रो निमित्त धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति हुनुहुन्छ। तपाईले ठुलो जिम्मेवारी लिएर आज यतिका वर्ष चाहिँ यो गेट कलेजलाई सेवा दिनुभएको छ। तपाई स्वस्थ खुसी सधैँ रहिरहनुहोस् र हामी तपाईसँग यस्तै रिलेसन्स भइराखोस्। र अफकोर्स अर्को चाहिँ लिडरसिप अवार्ड छ। लिडरसिप भनेको साह्रै महत्त्वपूर्ण कुरा हो, किन भन्दाखेरि सङ्कटको बेला लिडरसिपको महत्त्व झन् झल्किन्छ। यो सङ्कटको बेला पनि पोजिटिभिटी, प्रिसिजन, हार्डवर्क, लिडरसिप देखाएकोमा सबैजना लिडरहरू यसको लागि भागीदार हुनुहुन्छ। सबैजनाले हार्डवर्क गर्नुहुन्छ। तर यो भोट तपाईँहरूकै हो र यो भोटमा चाहिँ यसपटक यसको विनर हुनुहुँदो रहेछ प्राप्ति मिस। प्राप्ति मिस, मेनी कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन्स, and we really see that you as a new emerging leader, and we would like to see your leadership shine day to day. My third thing today is to welcome our new members, new colleagues. त्यसमा भगवती जी हुनुहुन्छ, मनिषा म्याम हुनुहुन्छ, of course back to home अन्जना म्याम हुनुहुन्छ, आकाश सर हुनुहुन्छ, उपेन शेफ हुनुहुन्छ, कृष्ण शेफ must be disappointed. I have not forgotten you. You know, you're rooted. You cook Newari food from your heart, and we all can enjoy your culture, your cuisine. So keep signing. Also, at the same time, I must mention here, we are so proud to have you, Yayoi Sensei. Your dedication, your commitment is exemplary, and you work very hard, and some of our students see it. I would love to see some of our students ended up in this beautiful, iconic country, Japan, to work, to do the internship. But I know that you need to prepare, you need to learn what that is and compare that the whole world is open for you. And I must mention that Madhudai, you are such a bundle of energy and inspiration for all of us. Being a Nepalese citizen, I know what it takes to lead in Japan. And you are leading by example, and you're passionate to take some of the leaders from Gate College to Japan. So thank you very much for being here and being present. Last but not least, we are all together here, this mega assembly, that is to celebrate togetherness. We staff, colleagues, team leader, team members are here because students, you are here, and we are determined to make sure that we contribute something to your life, something to your future, something to your career. Learning will happen not only in the classroom, but day-to-day life. In thick and thin, we always do not have a bright day. Sometimes we have dull day, but that's what makes life. But I would like to share something. As I mentioned, Gate is a family. Please come forth, put your grievances, ideas, excitement, and celebrate all together. You know what matters at the end? Life is such a brief, and what matters the most is that you're happy, you have your well-being. The well-being, my favorite Paris. You have a physical well-being, you have an emotional well-being, you have a relational well-being, and you have a spiritual well-being, and you have intellectual well-being. And if you pay attention to all of these things, because your healthy relations with one another and your healthy relation with your internal self, because what matters is what you talk to yourself also matters. So pay attention, try to make yourself happy, natural, and your best self. You will shine and rise. Thank you so much. Bye.